lately, this week, it's just marriage. You can imagine a lady coming out on social media, on TikTok, saying that marriage is not an achievement. Marriage is not an achievement. I used to hear this slogan, women say it, but most of the times, okay, people that say it are those single ones that nobody is asking them whether you are selling or you are buying. I keep saying it. See, most of these people that are saying that marriage is not an achievement, either onwere ejo fa na okposa ka na-elele ma ndị fa na difa nwe problem, ndị ụmụ nwaanyị okwu na ụka ya na difa nwe go problem achụpụ ya bedie ofa wana make you this statement. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus, and I'm your girl Bella. I always tell you the truth. Imagine what a lady is saying, that marriage is not an achievement. Somebody that is currently married is saying that marriage is not an achievement. I don't need to say much. Listen to the video yourself.
Congratulations for getting married.
I don't have to congratulate me. It's not an achievement.
To who? From which state, please?
Anambra man from Nimo.
Anambra. How long are you now in marriage? How long?
Going to 4 years now.
Going to 4 years. You said that your marriage is not achievement, 100%. Is the man aware that it's not achievement?
He knows.
I hope you know that some of the things you say can go viral. You can see it on Facebook. Even you can see it. I repost some of the things. If I like it, I can repost it.
My dear, it is not an achievement. I love my husband, but being married and being a missus is not an achievement. To me, it might be to any other person. Everybody's entitled to their, to their this thing. But for me, it's not an achievement. I love my husband, but it's not an achievement to me. So there's no need to congratulate me. If you go to my social media, you won't even see a picture of my marriage or anything. So it's a lovely experience, but it's not an achievement for me. So it is.
What are the challenges that made you to say marriage is not achievement?
There's no challenge. It is what it is. It's not. Why are you saying there are challenges? So marriage, what is an achievement? Achievement is something you want to carry on your head, like you are proud of this thing. Marriage is just a normal thing. It's like a boyfriend and a girlfriend living in their house for a long time. The only difference is it's been legalized. In this case, it's the same thing. So there's no challenge. There's nothing negative about the experience for me to say this is why it is not an achievement. I'm enjoying my marriage. I'm happy, and that is why it's not like this has to be an achievement because I've married. It's not an achievement.
So you are happily married, but it's not achievement.
I'm happily married, but marriage is not an achievement. At least not for me.
Even your own marriage is not achievement.
My marriage is not
100%.
100%. I'm happily married. I love my husband, but it is not an achievement. Now, I'm not saying it shouldn't be for any other person. It can be for them. For me, it's not an achievement for me. I got married at the age of 25. So it's not, my husband is relatively young as well. So it's not like I waited till 35 or 40 and I'll start saying it's an achievement. It's not an achievement. It's what it is for different people. Anybody who comes up here to say their marriage is an achievement for them, that is fine. I don't see men coming up here to say their marriage is an achievement, or posting on their social media that they are married, or posting 5, 10, 15 marriage pictures. I don't see men doing it. And it's not an achievement for them. It's people who is an achievement for that do all those things. For me, it's not an achievement. So that's my own personal view or my own take on it. Every other person can have their take, and that's their that's a choice.
When you receive salary, first of all, promise me you will not go until I'm done with you, so that I will know.
What do you mean by you are done with me? If I feel disrespected, I'll leave. If I feel like your questions have no relevance to the conversation, I'll leave. You can't tie me here. I'm not.
So you've seen the video first, and she said that they don't have to congratulate her because marriage is not an achievement. She loves her husband, but being married is not an achievement. If you go through her profile, my profile, you see that I don't even post my marriage because it's not an achievement. That's what she's saying. First of all, as a lady, as I feel some kind of way. You don't have respect for your husband, even if you know that it's not an achievement. For you to come out and start saying it like that shows that this lady lacks a lot of respect for her marriage. If you respect yourself enough, you don't have to feel that way about your own commitment, because marriage is a serious commitment. For people that know that is a serious commitment, because a lot of people don't know that marriage is a serious commitment. Okay. Another thing is, do you have regard for the family in Odi? Yeah, because if you hold them so high, you cherish your children, your husband, your own self. You cannot be making such a statement that marriage is not an achievement, that you don't need to congratulate her, that she doesn't even post it. She doesn't post it. Well, a lot of single people are coming out now to tell you that men are the prize. Marriage are the price for them, because first of all, Nigeria, there is no job, and women are looking for their knight and shining armor. Somebody came out. I did a video about some. I will tag the video for you to watch. A 41-year-old lady came out and said that if she had known better, she would have been married. If marriage is not an achievement for you, So to some people, it's an achievement. That's where you start seeing this slogan and it start entering inside the ears. Those people are saying that the guy had to leave the girl on the TikTok live. First of all, the guy felt some kind of way. I understand how he felt, because when you are seeing something from another perspective, the guy as a guy, he felt disrespected coming from a lady. It's somehow, honestly, because I can't make such a statement. I can't say such a thing. Even if you know that your own marriage is not, you can't be coming out here and be bashing your family. Remember, let me tell you the honest truth. If you have any family member that is not embarrassing you online, you don't know what God has done for you. This is pure this is embarrassing to hear. It's really embarrassing. I feel everybody is entitled to their opinion, but this is really embarrassing. However you feel, let's continue the conversation on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. Marriage Palaver Adawukwahu. Peace out.